reflecting on a legacy worth celebrating, embracing the gold standard, setting the path for coaching's future. 4 chapters, one purpose, creating a global ripple effect of transformation. Inspire, transform, thrive, the spirit of coaching that elevates people and organizations. Every story begins with a question. Coaching invites the answer. Because transformation doesn't stop at the individual, it expands into communities. Be part of the celebration. Coaching is a journey, and we're just getting started. International Coaching Week 2025. Webinar series hosted by Cross Chapter. Local events, pro bono coaching to community. From Asia to the world, coaching that connects, empowers, and transforms.